53, 50. Okay, we're at the low. I'm going to be patient. I'm waiting till I see something in the 40s, low 40s. You know, and if we break the 50 and go into the 40s, I would still be patient with it because we are breaking a low. And you know, if you take the buy position here, you're essentially betting it'll be a false breakout. So I'm going to do something real small here at 39. Actually have fills more around 40, and then you've got this 33 as your last line of defense. So again, just filling out my position here, bring my average fills. My average average position is here at 37, so I'm going to put a stop down at 30, give it 7 points if it doesn't work out. Then I'll probably just let this one go and try to refocus on dollar yen or something. We came down here and hit this 5-minute wall, and you know, hopefully this is a place here where we get our bounce. Now as we get up into the 40s, I will close out some of my earlier positions, bring my average fill a little lower. I don't know, the tough part about this one is we just broke the low. Yeah, I just got taken out of that position. Alright guys, dollar yen up in 90. I just got my recording on a little late here. Let's see if we get this right off of the 91, or even better, a big figure. Euro yen has better resistance here. I'm going to be patient, wait for the right opportunity here. Again, I'm down about 7 points so far. So, alright, I'm going to go ahead and execute here at 91. And I'm just going to go ahead and protect this with my 10-point stop. And I'll look to re-enter up here at 01 if we get there. Also, Euro Yen is a much better trade up here in the 90s, mid-80s. So of course I'll be looking for that. Now it is Friday, late session here, so definitely want to be careful. Gonna get my stop here ready to go to a -5. I'll go ahead and take the stop down to -5. And I'll get ready to go to break even here as this starts working out. And I'm going to go ahead and collect on some of these positions here with 8 points. Again, cover cover the loss from this morning. Took a 7-point loss there. So you know, I'm just hanging on here to this last position. And I really think we'll get this down here to at least a 71. That's where I'll look to close the position. It popped down to 71 and took my limit real fast, actually. So had a 20-point limit on that. Excellent. Well, that makes back the loss from earlier this morning, and now we've got another run. Euro yen. This is the better trade here. I'll go ahead and look to do something here at 92. Again, I'm having a little bit of some lag issue here with my recording on as well. But I will go ahead and look to just bring this to break even. I'd like to see this one, you know, get down to the low 80s, hopefully. I may just get taken out break even here. It looks like it wants to push higher here, unfortunately. It's still held on there. Now we're going into a Friday afternoon. You always have to be super careful, you know, trading these. And again, I was just had my took a 7-point loss earlier on this euro dollar. Gave me a little trouble. So all this is just to get back into the positive, which I did on my dollar yen trade. And this here is you know, to add to the account. I'll take some profit with 7. My stop's at break even. I'm risk free here. So again, just making up for a little lost ground, a little bit of a bump in the road earlier this morning, but we're okay with that. We're able to get that back. In case we do get some spikes and some whipsaw, which can be typical of Friday, I'm gonna move my limit down. Dollar yen, I mean, it actually worked out. I got limited out for 20 points, and you know, where I may have not even been fast enough to execute that myself. I'm gonna go ahead and just move this out of the way in case I do want to hang on to something. Does look like we're gonna get break even on the rest of the position, though. Yeah, we did. All right, feels good. Feels good to back in the green for the day. All right, guys. Just want to do a quick recap of the day. It is, you know, there is a lot of action right now. It's about 10 a.m. But it's Friday. I'm ready to get out of here. And so basically I had this euro dollar trade earlier this morning. I would say I made a mistake here in being a little bit aggressive with it. when we had it breaking the lows. I was just kind of looking across at pound dollar and Aussie dollar, and they weren't really showing the same momentum, so I was kind of anticipating maybe it was a fake out, and it was real. So I did end up taking a 7-point hit on that one. Nothing major. Easily managed that one back. And then just here a few minutes ago, we had dollar yen up into the 90s. Had my fills around the 90 area, 91, 92, and was able to get the limit executed down at 71 from some of my 90s fills. It did go as high as the mid 90s, 96, so there was obviously an opportunity for better fills than I had. So everyone did real well. We had some other guys in the room, Murray and Johnny and Ingy, and some of those guys banked pretty well on these yen trades. The next trade round was Euro Yen on this first push. I wanted to do this second push here, but I was having some latency on my platform with all this recording going on the same computer. So that was basically it. So you had Euro Dollar, which this one was really tough, and then Euro Yen. Both gave great signals. This one here, you had to get some good fills and get out quick, or at least protect for break even. I think it offered, so yeah, there was only a 10-point window there. This one here has offered as much as 15. We had some of the guys taking points on that. Pound yen, that was over 10 points. Dollar yen, this one obviously offered 20 plus, and this one here offered I believe around 20 as well. We had some other traders execute that one. So good opportunities, good trading, and overall this week has been great. So anyways guys, I'm out of here. It's Friday. I'm out to the beach or to do something, and we'll see you guys next week. Take care.